Islam has been established upon 5 pillars. So you have Islam and you have the 5 pillars. Islam is not only about the 5 pillars. The 5 pillars are the foundations of the deen. The more you strengthen them, the more the house of Islam becomes stronger. And the house of Islam is about manners and ethics, and that's why honesty is part of Islam. You cannot be a Muslim who is a liar, a cheater, a deceiver, you know. You cannot be a Muslim and you're dishonest, right?
Subhanallah, amazing.
Because the Prophet ﷺ, there's a hadith, a very scary hadith, wallahi, very scary. He said, I command you to be truthful, for truthfulness leads to righteousness, and righteousness leads to Jannah. And a person keep on telling the truth and strive to tell the truth until he is written with Allah as truthful. And the opposite is also mentioned. I warn you, beware of lying, for lying leads to wickedness, and wickedness leads to hellfire. So it's not a joke here. And
no,
a person...
I never looked at it this way, to say that there's Islam and there's the 5 pillars. I never looked at it that way, because we always grew up knowing, and I agree with what you're saying, when you look at it holistically, we always grew up knowing 5 pillars of Islam, that's Islam, you know. But what you've just said is that there's Islam, and the 5 pillars is the foundation of that Islam, but it's not the only thing in Islam. There's a lot that builds around those 5 pillars. So you first have to have complete connection with the 5 pillars, and you build your truthfulness, your attitude, your dealings,
so just
and everything.
Don't stop there.
Allahu Akbar.
Don't stop there.
Amazing.
Because if you stop there, it's like you bought a building without walls, without decoration. You can't live in. You can't move in. You have the property, but it's just open, you know, for danger and so on. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keep us always of those Muslims that tend to improve on all levels. I mean,
Jazakallah khair.